Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just wanted to do this quick video here and extend my apologies for the latest content. You know, I'm not really that happy about it, but you know, so try to sum it up and make the video short, because I actually shot this video already, but it ended up being like 20 minutes long, and I can't just post a 20-minute like update. It's too long, and you know, maybe it's part of me rambling, but try not to do that. Long story short, I live in a condo, so I have HOA. They raised the dues. My payment last month was $1,200. Yeah, and because it was for January, March, and April. So I have one coming up at the end of this month, but it won't be as high. I don't know how much it's going to be. So I was looking at getting a second job, but it didn't pan out. But I ended up picking up extra shifts here and there. That's been my life for the last couple of months. For the last 2 weeks, going on 3 weeks, I've worked every day on the weekends, just because they needed help. I mean, we're having trouble picking up people, which I guess is working out for me, but also it kind of sucks. But it's still it's money in the bank. But it's been really cutting into my outdoor time. Like at all, I don't do anything on the weekends. In fact, all I've been doing is the cooking videos, which I like to get out to the park, and I actually had a meal planned out I was gonna do. But then you know, I had a day off. You know, like a few weeks ago, well, almost a month ago now, I had the day off, but Sunday came, and the stress was just the stress of making sure I had money for the bills. You know, I ended up getting bummed out and then not going because I wasn't in good spirits. It's like I wasn't like, yeah, let's go. I'm just like, you know. So I just been working a lot lately and not doing really the videos I want. I mean, yeah, even I fell behind on my own channel shots, which I do on Mondays, and had to like rush to get a shot. I mean, I haven't even edited this weekend's video yet. I literally did. I edited Cast Iron Wednesday's video on Tuesday. So just been, you know, plus going to the gym, which I'm still trying to do, and then trying to work the extra shifts. I mean, hopefully it'll set me up nice. I mean, I'm not just running around buying a bunch of crap. I bought a new mouse for my computer because this one, for some reason, when I click it, it kind of double clicks, so it's annoying. So I just bought a new one. It's like $12.99 on Amazon. Didn't get a fancy one. Don't need it. Got a USB hub. You know, I spent a little bit of money. If I can stretch it over, so I got this for USB plugins, because where my computer sits up on the shelf, it's a pain in the ass trying to plug stuff in. So I just got a little hub I can just. So it wasn't expensive, so bought that. So you know, because of that $1,200 HOA due, the bill, I had to cut into my money I wanted to use to go up to Canada and visit Gerbs, which I still want to do, but now I can put that money back in there, so we're good there. And then I'll have probably a couple of months in the bank ready to go, maybe even 3. Maybe, because I'm working this whole weekend, I think, too, and then maybe the new weekend after that, because we hired a guy at work. He no called, no showed for his first day of training. Hired another guy. He called off the first day, worked the next, called off again, then worked, called off, then he showed up for 2 days, amazingly, and then no call, no, and then called off on Saturday, and then texted in and said, oh, I'm not gonna make it Sunday either. So he already flaked out. I mean, literally, he called out 4 times out of the whole week. So if he was 3 shows and 4 call offs, it's like, dude, what the hell, man? Oh, I guess 4 call offs. So it was a week and a day. But anyway, I wanted to apologize. I guess I'm rambling again. Sorry. I'm actually really tired. I just got home from the gym and I just worked today, so I just finally sat down. I'm like, oh, I'm getting sapped for energy. So maybe I need to hydrate. Anyway, I just want to apologize. I do thank you for watching. If you stuck around, I appreciate it. I always like doing updates and like, keep you guys all in the loop. So I actually have a video idea on if I ever get to it. I wanted to talk about that. But anyway, I will catch you in the next one. I hope you're enjoying the cooking videos. Tomorrow should be a cinnamon roll video because I'm actually going to shoot it today. Today is Wednesday. So I shoot it, edit it, I'll have it ready for Saturday, and I got another idea for Sunday, so we'll see how it goes. So yeah, alright, well, catch you on the next one, and we'll see you. I'll see you.